Welcome to the first video of the Altium Concord Pro evaluation series. I'm David Aboud, and this video is about connecting Altium Concord Pro to Altium Designer. Copy the Home tab URL to your clipboard and you are ready to connect to Concord Pro. You will also see the URL in the eval environment next to this video. Switch to Altium Designer. Go to the top right corner, click on the user icon and select Custom under Connect to. Paste the copied URL into the server address. Fill in the remaining evaluation credentials by using your Altium Live login and password. Once you're connected to the server, you'll see that the top right corner will show the username of the account that you've just used to log in. There are two simple ways to check if your connection to Altium Concord Pro is established correctly. First, go to File, Open Project, and see the server connection under the Location section of the Open Project dialog. Secondly, go to the panel menu in the bottom right corner and open the Components panel to see the components hosted on your Concord Pro server. Next video, we will take a look at updating and replacing project components,